The science of losing belly fat. Caloric deficit. The cornerstone of fat loss is consuming fewer calories than you burn. This forces your body to use stored fat for energy. Research shows that creating a moderate caloric deficit, about 500 calories less than your daily requirement, is effective and sustainable. Extreme calorie reductions can lead to muscle loss and metabolic slowdown, so aim for a balanced approach. Macronutrient balance. The composition of your diet affects fat loss. Prioritize protein intake as it supports muscle maintenance and boosts metabolism. A higher protein intake can help preserve lean muscle mass while you're losing weight. Carbohydrates and fats are also essential, but focusing on whole, nutrient-dense sources is crucial. Exercise regimen. Regular physical activity is vital. A combination of resistance training and cardiovascular exercise has been shown to be particularly effective. Resistance training helps build muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate, while cardio helps burn calories and improve overall fitness. Sleep and stress management. Poor sleep and high stress levels can hinder fat loss. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can promote fat storage in the abdominal area. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night and incorporate stress-reducing practices such as mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. The #1 diet for sustainable fat loss. While numerous diets promise quick results, the most effective approach is one that you can maintain over the long term. Here's a diet plan that is rooted in science and designed for sustainability. Adopt a balanced whole food diet. Lean proteins include sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes. Protein helps with muscle repair and growth, which is important when you're in a caloric deficit. Healthy fats. Opt for sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are essential for hormone production and overall health. Complex carbohydrates. Choose whole grains, vegetables, and fruits over refined carbs. These foods provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you full. Control portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Use smaller plates, measure portions, and listen to your body's hunger cues to avoid overeating. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health and can aid in weight loss. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what and when you eat. Eating slowly and savoring your meals can prevent overeating and help you recognize your body's hunger and fullness signals more accurately. Limit processed foods and sugars. Processed foods and sugary beverages can contribute to weight gain and negatively affect your metabolism. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods to optimize your fat loss efforts. Regular meals and snacks. Eating at regular intervals can help manage hunger and prevent overeating later in the day. Include healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fruits if needed to maintain energy levels and prevent drastic hunger. Effective strategies for long-term success. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable, incremental goals can help maintain motivation and provide a sense of accomplishment. Aim for gradual changes rather than dramatic shifts, which can be more sustainable and less overwhelming. Track your progress. Monitoring your food intake, exercise routines, and body measurements can help you stay on track. Use apps or journals to keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to long-term success. Adhere to your dietary and exercise plan even when progress seems slow. Remember that sustainable results come from steady, consistent efforts rather than quick fixes. Seek support. Having a support system can enhance your motivation and adherence. Whether it's a workout buddy, a dietitian, or an online community, sharing your journey with others can provide encouragement and accountability. Be patient. Fat loss takes time, and results may not be immediate. Focus on building healthy habits and making gradual improvements. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Common pitfalls to avoid. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later and may disrupt your metabolism. Instead, aim for regular, balanced meals. Relying on supplements. While some supplements can support fat loss, they should not replace a healthy diet and exercise. Focus on whole foods as your primary source of nutrients. Chasing fads. Avoid trendy diets and quick-fix solutions. They are often unsustainable and can lead to yo-yo dieting. Stick to evidence-based approaches for long-term success. Neglecting strength training. Some people focus solely on cardio for fat loss, but incorporating strength training is crucial for building muscle and boosting metabolism. Losing belly fat and achieving lasting results involves a combination of scientific principles and sustainable dietary practices. By creating a caloric deficit, balancing your macronutrients, incorporating regular exercise, and managing stress and sleep, you can effectively target belly fat. Following a balanced diet with whole foods, staying hydrated, and avoiding processed foods will further support your goals. Embrace the journey with realistic expectations and a focus on long-term habits. Remember, consistency, patience, and a commitment to healthy living are your best allies in achieving and maintaining a healthier, flatter belly.